Here's how to fix Roblox Studio if it shows a black screen, crashes, freezes, or isn't working. First, you can go ahead and restart Roblox Studio and your computer. Close Roblox Studio completely and restart your computer, and open Roblox Studio again to see if it works. Once the Roblox Studio is opened, you can go to settings, but before that, if the update is available, you'll see the update available option in the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on update now option that is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Now it will install the latest version if available. Another thing you can do is you can close the Roblox Studio, press the Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run command. From here, simply enter %local add data %, and then hit enter on your keyboard. From this page, go ahead and select Roblox Studio. Delete the log files, but don't delete the Roblox folder itself. And then restart the Roblox Studio. Also disable the third-party programs. Close the programs that might conflict with the Roblox Studio, such as screen recorders, overlays, antivirus software, or VPNs. You can also open your Roblox Studio, tap on the File option, and then go to Studio Settings. From this page, you need to go to Rendering, that is the last option over here, and try lowering the graphics mode or disabling the hardware acceleration if available. Another thing you can do is you can uninstall the Roblox Studio completely from your computer and reinstall it again. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.